And what do you see the future of your company as far as the sauce? We know you got the conference. The conference is huge. Just elaborate on the conference. Just tell us a little bit about, because a lot of people don't know about it or just now finding out about it. Yeah. Tell us how it was conceived.
Yeah, man. So that conference came from God literally telling me, William, what did you not have when you first started? And I want you to give that to the people. Reverse engineer the process. Okay. What is that you not had? And so most times people go to conferences, speak in conference, but you're not able to hit the platform and speak. So we made sure for our VIP days that our speakers can hit the stage, get the content that they need, get the pictures that they need, so that way when they leave Atlanta or leave wherever we're at, they have marketing material. The craziest thing to me is that speakers say they're speakers, but then when I look at your profile, I don't see you speaking. You know what I'm saying?
They don't document the process.
They don't document the process. I don't see you speaking anywhere, and then you want somebody to come pay you $10,000, but I don't see you doing anything.
See nothing.
You know what I'm saying? And so for us, we was just like, we got to make sure that we make room for the people to add value to them. And then of course, the last 2 days is always more so like personal development and spiritual development, where business and faith collide under one roof, and equipping the people. Because again, as you know, on this journey as an entrepreneur, a speaker, whatever it may be, that is difficult. And you're going to need some spiritual endurance to press through some things when you're encountering some things. Like, I promise you, man, they say, I think it was about 40 or 75% of entrepreneurs think about committing suicide. And I was one of them. You know what I'm saying? And so it's one of those things to where you need that guidance and that endurance to understand that you're called and chosen. But you can't be called and chosen if you continue to go back and forth with your purpose. You called for this. You gotta go get it, you know? Yeah.
How important is mental health?
Man,
to a public speaker.
Man,
just having that right frame of mind. Yeah. You know, when you're speaking and engaging with your audience, and you got a lot of other trauma going on that kind of relates, and you can hear it in that person's speech. Yeah. What do you recommend?
Yeah, I definitely recommend, for me, I may not work for everybody, but for me, you got to get grounded with the Lord, man. For me, I got grounded every single time when I feel like I'm out of alignment. I center myself. I say, okay, what do you want? Right? Because a lot of times when we're frustrated, it's because we're trying to do what we want to do and we're not doing His will. And so for me, I said, I got to do your will. Let me get centered. So definitely making sure you're grounded with the Lord. Definitely making sure you're taking time for you, whether that's a spa, whether that's a walk, whether that's a mini vacation. You know what I'm saying? So I think those things are super crucial for your mental health, especially your spiritual endurance as well.
Okay. Yeah. And just tell us, what are some of the benefits you received as being a public speaker? Man. I know there's many, but just give us a few.
Man, one of the benefits, man, is I get to spend more time with my family. Okay. That's the biggest thing to me. I get to spend more time with my family. The money is phenomenal. Yeah. The money is great, right?
How many speaking gigs you do monthly? I know it varies. But
yeah, so for me, I used to do about, I want to say 12 to 10. I no longer do that anymore. I kind of pass it to my elite clients, some gigs that I don't want to do. So roughly, I'm speaking about maybe 5 times a month, but my fees have doubled. So yeah.
And that affords you, what are some of the luxury things you like to do in your spare time?
Man, you know, I'm a very
some hobbies that you have.
Yeah, man. Right. So for me, I like swimming. I like ping pong. I like putting my toes in the sand, man. You know, I like to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Go kart, whatever it may be. Like, I'm a kid at heart. You know what I'm saying? So for me, it's just really enjoying life and creating memories for my kids. You know what I'm saying? Creating memories for myself.